Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In this episode, we'll explore the nucleus, the control center of the cell. It stores DNA, controls all cell activities, and organizes genetic material into chromatin. Also, don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series for quick revision. Let's dive in and discover how this tiny organelle manages the life of the cell. The nucleus is covered by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope, which separates it from the cytoplasm and allows movement of materials through nuclear pores. Inside, the nucleoplasm is a jelly-like fluid that supports various activities. The nucleus is the dark spot where rRNA is made and ribosome parts are built. Also inside is chromatin, the genetic material that controls how genes work and are passed on. Inside the nucleus, DNA is packed with proteins to form chromatin. There are two types: euchromatin, which is loose, lightly stained, and active in transcription, and heterochromatin, which is tightly packed, dark, and inactive. Before cell division, chromatin condenses to form chromosomes, ensuring accurate transfer of DNA to new cells. Chromosomes are condensed forms of chromatin seen during cell division. Each has two sister chromatids joined at a centromere, which helps attach them to spindle fibers. Based on the centromere's position, chromosomes can be metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, or telecentric. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 autosomes, and 1 pair of sex chromosomes that decide gender. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope, which separates it from the cytoplasm. The outer membrane is connected to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, linking the nucleus with the rest of the cell. Between the two membranes is the perinuclear space, which connects with the ER. The envelope has nuclear pores that allow RNA, proteins, and ions to move in and out. Together, they protect the DNA and ensure communication between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Inside the nucleus is the nucleus, a round, dense structure where ribosomes are made. It forms around special regions of chromosomes that contain rRNA genes. Here, rRNA is produced and combined with proteins to form ribosomal subunits. These subunits move out into the cytoplasm, where they join to make functional ribosomes for protein synthesis. So, the nucleus is the factory that builds the cell's protein-making machines. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It stores DNA, which carries the instructions for making RNA and proteins. By producing mRNA, it controls protein synthesis, which determines how the cell works. During cell division, it makes sure DNA is copied correctly, passing genes to new cells. In short, the nucleus controls growth, metabolism, reproduction, and heredity, the true command hub of the cell. Let's quickly recap what we learned. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It's covered by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope, which has pores to allow materials to move in and out. Inside, there's nucleoplasm, the nucleus, and chromatin made of DNA and proteins. Chromatin has two forms: euchromatin, light, active, and where genes are expressed. Heterochromatin, dark, inactive, and where genes are silent. When the cell divides, chromatin condenses into chromosomes, making the genetic material clearly visible. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following statements about chromatin is correct? Is it option A, euchromatin is transcriptionally inactive and darkly stained? Is it option B, heterochromatin is transcriptionally active and lightly stained? Is it option C, euchromatin is transcriptionally active and lightly stained? Or is it option D, heterochromatin is transcriptionally active and loosely packed? Comment your answers or send them to us on Instagram or Telegram. That's all for this episode. We've just completed the topic Nucleus and Chromatin Organization. In our next episode, we'll do a special revision of all cell organelles and see an integrated concept map that connects every part of the cell. This visual recap will help you remember each organelle structure and function easily, perfect for revision. So don't miss it. Like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology, where we simplify concepts, one concept at a time. See you in the next episode.